discrete data. Now first let's understand what's a discrete data. Now a discrete data is you are given xi and fi. Say for example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 39. So n is equal to 39. Now this type of a data is a discrete data where you have variable xi and you have fi over here. Say for example, if you want to find median first, the first step over here is find cumulative frequency. Acha, many times are problem. First is steps. First step is arrange data in ascending order. Generally ascending order ही दिया होता है, but many times it can happen that you are given 4, 10 first, 6, 7 second. So this may not be in ascending order. So you have to first make it ascending. Then second, you find cumulative frequency. Now how do we find cumulative frequency? Over here, cumulative frequency what we find is less than time. So cumulative frequency CFI. First, 2 ka 2. So 2, 5, 10, 20, 28, 35 and 39. So first step is you see whether it is an ascending or not. If not, make it ascending. Then find cumulative frequency. Now we go for various measures. First measure is median. Median is equal to value of n plus 1 upon 2 yath observation. Okay, I'll use this information over here, which is equal to 39 plus 1, 40. So value of 20th observation. Of ध्यान देना, try to understand the concept. Give 1 has come 2 times, 2 has come 3 times, 3 has come 5 times, 4 has come 10 times. So these are number of time of observation appears in a data. We want to find which is our 20th observation. So we go to CFI. Can we see over here 20? So our 20th observation is 4. So median is equal to 4. See, when we went for raw data, okay, we arrange them in ascending order, minimum to maximum. Now from raw data only this has come. ये आया कहाँ से? From raw data. So if I convert this into raw data, I'll have 1, 2 times, 2, 3 times, 3 how many times? 5 times. 4 how many times? 10 times. So if we start counting, this will be the 20th observation. Understood this? समझ में आया? Okay. Then we go for quartile. Qj is equal to value of j n plus 1 by 4th observation. J is equal to 1, 2, 3. For example, Q1. So value of j is what? 1. N is 39 plus 1, 40 divided by 4. So 10th observation. Now, what's the 10th observation? 3. So Q1 is equal to 3. Pata chala? Okay. Q3 is equal to value of 3. 39 and 140 divided by 4 is 10 into 3 is 30th observation. Now 30th observation कौन सा है? 30th observation will be 6 क्योंकि 28 के बाद 28th observation के बाद ये 5, 5, 5, 5, 8 times लिखने के बाद 6 will come for 7 times. So 29th observation is also 6 and 30th observation is also 6. You understood this? पता चला सबको? तुम्हें क्या करना है? Using the cumulative frequency column, उसका corresponding x is your quartile or median or decile or percentile. पता चल गया? Now let's go for the third one. Decile. dj is equal to value of j n plus 1 upon 10th observation. ध्यान देना please. So over here, let's say I want to find out. अच्छा, j is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 9. d7 is equal to value of 7. 40 divided by 10 is 4. 4 7s are 28. 28th observation. What is 28th observation? 5. So d7 is equal to 5. Let me find one more. Say d3 find cut. d3, okay, is equal to value of 3. 39 plus 1 by 10th observation is equal to value of 12th observation. Now can you tell me what is D3? 4. D3 is equal to 4 because 10th observation तक 3 है. 11, 12, 13, 4, up to 20th the observations are 4. So 12th observation is also 4. Understood this? All of you? Now if you get observation over here, this observation in fraction, say for example you get 26.5, you get 26.5, then also it will be 5 because 26 भी 5 है, 27 भी 5 है. पता चला? If you get 31.8, 6. If you get 38.7, 38.7, 7. Understood this? But if you get 20.5, then it's a problem. No, then it's a problem because 20th observation is 4. 21st observation is 5. पता चला? Rarely ऐसा होता है, but ऐसा possibility है. समझ में ऐसा एक sum है, उसमें ऐसा होता है कि यहाँ पे 20.5 है, तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? Value of 20th observation plus 0.5, value of 21st minus 20. याद आया तुम्हें? ओके, तब जब आएगा तब हम वैसे करेंगे. Now dj पता चल गया. Similarly, we go for fourth one, percentile. Ej, when j is equal to 1 to 99, is equal to value of j n plus 1 by 100th observation. पता चल गया सबको कैसे करना है? Very easy, फटाफट हो जाएगा. ओके, लिख लो सब फॉर्मूलास. Page number 98, exercise 3.4 का question number 3. Now the following table gives age of 80 students selected from college. So age years is given and number of students are given. Find the median age. Also find Q1, D4, P32 for age and interpret them. So we have to also interpret them. First let's write the question. Age years, xi, fi, number of students. Find out cumulative frequency first step because already they are in ascending order. 11, 25. सबको आता है कैसे करते हैं ये? First 11 का 11 and 14, 25, 25 and 22, 47, 47 and 15, 62, 8, 70, 76 and 80. N is equal to 80. Now, first measure is median. median M. Median M is equal to value of n plus 1 upon 2th observation, which is equal to value of n is 80 plus 1 upon 2th observation is equal to value of 40.5th observation. Now इसमें कहाँ पे आएगा 40.5? 47 के अंदर आएगा. So m is equal to 90. Therefore, interpret. ध्यान दो. Just a moment. See, you arrange the student from minimum to maximum age. So here is first student is standing over here, and the 80th student is standing over here. So student standing in the middle, what is his age? His age is 19 years. So what we can interpret is that 50% of the students have their age less than equal to 19 years. Or can I also say 50% of students have their age more than 19 or equal to 19 years? We can interpret anyway. We'll just write one of the interpretation. Therefore, 50% students have age less than or equal to 19 years. Don't forget the interpretation in exam. Now Q1, second. Q1 is equal to value of n plus 1 by 4th observation is equal to value of 80 plus 1 divided by 4th observation is equal to value of 20.25th observation. Now 20.25 comes in this 25. So corresponding is 80. So Q1 is equal to 18 years. Therefore, now Q1 comes over here 25%. 25% Q1 is quarter 1. So I'll say 25% students have age less than or equal to 18 years. Third, D4, decile 4 is equal to value of 4n plus 1 by 10th observation is equal to value of 480 plus 1 by 10th observation. So 32.4th observation. Let's check 32.4. 19. D4 is equal to 19. What can we interpret? 40% students have their age less than or equal to 19 years. 40% students are of less than or equal to 19 years. Percentile 32 is equal to value of 32 n plus 1 by 100th observation equal to value of 32 80 plus 1 by 100th observation is equal to value of 25.92th observation. 25.92. So can I say 25th observation is 18 and 26th observation is 19 आ गया ऐसा border line पे fraction. So we use the formula value of 25th observation plus 0.92 value of 26th minus 25th observation. याद आया सबको? Okay. So which is equal to 25th observation is 18 plus 0.92. 26th is 19 minus 18, which is equal to 1. So 18.92 P32. Therefore, age of 32% students will be 18.92 years or less. Therefore, 32% students will be of 18.92 years or less. Now, I'll write an example over here to make you understand. Now, this type of data is a continuous data. Now, what type of classes are this? Inclusive or exclusive? Exclusive. Exclusive. Okay. Now, let's first understand. First step is always you find the cumulative frequency. Now, median. For median, the first what you have to find is median class. Over here, class of n upon 2th observation. Now over here, plus 1 is not there. So तुम्हें याद रखना पड़ेगा raw and discrete. It is plus 1. Here it is directly n by 2th. Now class of n by 2th observation for this sum is equal to class of n is 15, 7.5th observation. It means what? कि 7.5th observation कौन से क्लास के अंदर आएगा? 22, 30. This class, so I'll write over here is equal to 22, 30. Now very important. This is exclusive, so you write over here exclusive. If it is inclusive, you have to convert it into exclusive. Don't forget this. If it was 20 to 29, if this was 20 to 29, then you have to convert 29.5. अगर तुमने ऐसा नहीं किया, your answer will not tally with the answer. Okay? गलत हो जाएगा तुम्हारा answer. So don't forget. And that's why you have a habit of writing over here exclusive. So if it is inclusive, you'll come to know it is inclusive. We want to convert it into exclusive. This should always be exclusive. Don't forget this. Now, median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon n into C. We write in bracket like this. Now, what is L? L is lower limit of median class. n by 2 कहाँ से आएगा? Directly from here. Now CF is important. CF is cumulative frequency of class preceding median class. So what generally we do is, in a sum, if this is your median class, you mark it like this. This is your CF. पता चला? Okay? CF of the class preceding, इसके ऊपर वाले class का cumulative frequency. Now F is equal to frequency of median class. C is class length, but not common class length. Class length of median class. So if there are unequal class length, then we have to take the class length of the median class. Understood this? Now, we put the values. M is equal to L. Lower limit is 20 plus n by 2 is 7.5 minus 5 upon 5. into 10. We solve it 20 plus 5, which is equal to 20. You understood how we have to do? Okay. पहले median लिखो. Then we go for quartile, decile and percentile. Quartiles. First step in quartile is we have to find the QJ class. Now where J is equal to 1, 2 and 3 is equal to class of J n by 4th, n by 4th observation. Then after we find this has to be exclusive. If not exclusive, we convert it into exclusive. Then Qj is equal to L plus J n by 4 minus Cf upon F into C. Similar? Okay, ये कहाँ से मिलेगा? यहाँ पे जो फाइंड किया वहाँ से ही मिल जाएगा. Okay, then third, decile DJ class. J is equal to 1, 2, 9 is equal to class of J n by 10th observation. DJ is equal to L plus J n by 10 minus Cf upon F into C. And the fourth one, percentile PJ class. J is equal to 1, 2 up to 99. Class of J n by 100th observation. Pj is equal to L plus J n by 100 minus Cf upon F into C. Exercise 3.4, page number 98, question number 2. Following table show data about the distance traveled in kilometer by a salesman on different days. Find median, Q3, D8, P62 and interpret them. Right. Class. Frequency, number of days. Cumulative frequency. 5 का 5, 23, 47, 54, 59 and 60. So n is equal to 60. Now, first we find out median. Basically, we find the median class is equal to class of n by 2th observation. Class of 60 by 2 is 30th observation, which is equal to 200 to 300. Exclusive. If it is not exclusive, we have to convert it into exclusive. Now, median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf upon F into C. Lower limit 200 plus n by 2 is 30 minus Cf is cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class, which is 23, upon frequency of the median class, that is 24. Class length is 100. So is equal to 200 plus 700 upon 24. 200 plus 29.17. 229.17 is the median. 30 minus 23 is 7. 7 into 100 is 700. Now over here, distance in kilometer and number of days. The traveling of 50% days will be 229.17 kilometers or less. So Q3 class is equal to class of 3n by 4th observation is equal to class of n is 60, 15, so 45th observation. 45th, so again the same, 200 to 300. Exclusive, don't forget this, important, exclusive. Q3 is equal to L plus 3n by 4 minus CF upon F into C is equal to 200 plus 45 minus 23 upon 24 into 100. Q3 is equal to 200 plus 45 minus 23 is 22 into 100 upon 24. 91.67 is equal to 291.67 kilometers. We interpret, therefore, the traveling of Q3 है तो कितना परसेंट? Q3 है तो कितना परसेंट? 75%. See, this is 25%, 25%, 25%, 25%. So this is Q1, Q2 and Q3. So this complete area is 75%. The traveling of 75% days will be 291.67 kilometers or less. D8 class is what we have to find. Third is equal to class of 8n by 10th observation. D8 class of 8n by 10th observation is equal to class of 8 n is 60 by 10th observation
48
is equal to class of 48th observation. Now what is the 48th observation? It will come over here, so that is 300 to 400. Exclusive. Therefore, D8 is equal to L plus 8 n by 10 minus CF upon F into C is equal to 300 plus 48 minus 47 upon frequency is 7 into class length is 100, which is equal to 300 plus 100 by 7. 14 is equal to 314.29. Now D8 means kitna percentage?
80%.
80%. So the traveling of 80% days will be 314.29 kilometers or less. P62 class is equal to class of 62 n by now 100th observation is equal to class of
7.2
2th observation, which is equal to again 200 to 300 exclusive. Therefore, P62 is equal to L plus 62n by 100 minus CF upon F into C is equal to 200 plus 37.2 minus 23 upon frequency 24 class length 100. 14.2, so 1420 divided by 24. 200 plus 59.17 is P62. The traveling of 62% to 59.17 kilometers or less. It's page number 6, question number 2. Find the median of the observation. Now, over here, question 2. First, we write all the observation. 2, 1 by 3/4. So 4 ones are 4 and 3 is 7. 7 by 4. 7 by 2. Then 2 by 3. Then 10 by 3. And then 1 by 8. Now the first step is we have to arrange them in ascending order. So find karna padega. Now here if you are confused, what you do is you divide it on the calculator and what the values are. Just write below this. 1.75, then 3, then 3.5, then 0.67, then 3.33 and 0.125. Now, what's the minimum? 0.125. So first we write 1 by 8, ascending order. Then next is what? 0.67. So which is what? 2 by 3. Then next is what? This is done, this is done. Next is 1.75. So that is 7 by 4. Then 2. Then 3. So directly 3. Then 3.33. So 10 by 3 and 7 by 2. This is ready? Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So n is equal to 7. So median m is equal to value of n plus 1 upon 2th observation is equal to value of 7 plus 1, 8 divided by 2 is 4th observation. Which is the 4th observation? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Therefore, median is equal to 2.